Hi guys. Today I'll be teaching you how you just follow this prompt. Just follow it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that you'll be getting updated on any of my videos. So we are going to the video now. Just follow me step by step. You understand? Step by step. You will get it right. Stay tuned. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel so that you get updated. Hi guys. What we're going to do today, I'm going to be showing you how to use Capcut Pro. Firstly, you go to your browser. So after you go to your browser, you search for this Capcut Pro APK download old version. So what the trick is just that you download the old version of this of the Capcut, and all the Pro are there. So after you search it, so you now scroll down, scroll down. Okay, is this one, you download this one, this CAPCKU. After you click on it, if you click on it, you scroll up, you scroll up, you scroll up, you scroll up, you can see all the version, but just don't choose any other version, choose the one of version 11.1.0. After you click on it, all these adverts, just close it. So after you click on it, it will show that you should download it. You understand? You download it. After downloading it, although after downloading it, you come to your download, you go to your download. After you go to your download, just click on, it's still downloading, okay, it's very fast, it's still downloading. This one will give you all the features of Capcut. Just follow me, just follow. And if you have not liked the page, like and subscribe so that you get more update information that I give on this channel. So it has finished downloading. Just click on it. After you click on it, it will start installing the app. You understand? I have it already. So I have you go to my Capcut. So you can see immediately you finish downloading, you can see I've not opened it before. This is it. It will give you these terms of service and privacy policy. Just accept it. After you accept it, let's check some projects. Click on projects, new project. Click on new project. Allow Capcut to access it. Yes, allow it. So click on new project. So after you click, so after that you can see, so all this one, all the feature that is on the Pro, you can see, you can activate them here. You can activate. Okay, let's check this background remover. You can see the background remover, you can see that is free. You can use it, it's free. So just click on auto background remover. You can see that it removed the background. You can see that it removed the background. You just click OK. You can see the background removed. So there's another one. There are a lot of function there that you can use for free. Yes, you can use all these things for free. So that is it. If you have not liked this channel, click on like and subscribe. Thank you. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel so that you get updated.